and welcome to Dishes by Towo YouTube channel. Today we'll be making Nigerian Puffpuff. Homemade, simple recipes, food hacks, the foodie food, yay! Step 1, yeast proofing. Wait, why are we proofing yeast again? DishesByTowo, why are we proofing yeast again? Well, yeast is the leavening agent or raising agent in puffpuff, and you want to ensure, since it's an organism, you want to ensure it is not dead while using it in the puffpuff. So this is the reason why we are going to proof it first. And while proofing it, ensure you use lukewarm water, not hot nor cold. Why? Cold water will not make the yeast come alive, and hot water will actually kill the yeast. Sugar, why are we using sugar? Sugar speeds up the process. Step 2 is the mixing of the ingredients. So we're just going to sift in our flour. I love doing this because it is enjoyable. Would I say enjoyable? So we're just going to put in 2 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and our activated yeast. Is that all? Does this make a puffpuff batter? Then 1 cup of lukewarm water. Then we'll just give it a good mix, ensuring everything is evenly incorporated. So we're just going to mix. Step 3 is the proofing of batters for 30 to 40 minutes, and I'm just going to use my clean spoon to cover this up and leave it at room temperature. You can see it has doubled in size. Now I'm just going to use my spatula to remove excess air that will just turn it, just remove excess air, and I'm not just going to do it for too long because I don't want to overwork my batter. So just do that. And if you're new here, please say hello by subscribing. Step 4 is the frying of puffpuff batter. This is the most interesting part. You need your groundnut oil. What oil do you want to use again? So I'm going to use groundnut oil. I'm just going to use a skewer to note if this oil is hot enough for frying. And I'm just going to see when I note bubbles around it, it is hot enough for frying. So let's teach ourselves how to fry the puffpuff. So using your hand, you just use your thumb to push it out. See, let's sit down and enjoy watching the video. See, if you don't want to go through all this stress, you can as well use your ice cream scoop or your spoon to do all this sharing. So we're just going to fry the batter, puffpuff batter, till it is golden brown. And please note that while frying, ensure you don't overcrowd your oil. This is so as the batter not to absorb oil. Yes, it will absorb oil, or for it not to join together. You know, those things that yes will be joining together, and no, we want a single sweet looking puffpuff, not a bad looking or joined together puffpuff. Yeah, so we're just going to ensure it is not overcrowded. Like what is showing in video is called overcrowding. Is already overcrowded. Like it's already overcrowded this way. English. So this is just water, and I added a drop of oil just so that my hand will not be sticky or whatever. Tool, maybe your hand, your spoon, or whatever will not be sticky. So you can just put it inside and remove it immediately. Then we're just going to fry till it is golden brown. Golden brown. Wait, did you just see that? Come again. Come again. Come. Guy! Wait, our puff-puff just somersaulted. Like, how many of you can somersault? No, raise up your hand. Raise up your hand in the comment section. How many of you can somersault? Our puff-puff is somersaulting. Our puff-puff is somersaulting. So yeah, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. That is, like our video. Like the video, say something, share to your family, share to friends, share to whosoever, and fry your puff-puff till it is golden brown, like brown skin puff-puff, like brown skin, no, brown looking good skin, no, wait, brown looking good. See, just fry your puff-puff. Fry your pop. I mean, fry your puff-puff. Brown. Hey, is it brown skin looking? Yeah. Hey, and I did genius. See, did you see that? Let's look again. Hey, I don't know when that's somersaulted. Wait. I think people should come and learn somersaulting from my puff-puff. Like, where some people are somersaulting. You just need to come and learn how to somersault, you know. Is it part of I would just call it self-defense or what? And please make sure you are there while you are frying this puff-puff, because as some puff-puff are somersaulting, some will still refuse. We still refuse to somersault in the oil. So we are just going to keep like just ensuring that yes, society it will be like golden brown, evenly, like the golden brown will be evenly distributed on their body, on the pot. So we're just going to fry till it's golden brown. Yeah. Hi, hot puff with cold tea. Someone is getting that inspiration. So please just pick one puff and pass it to the next person. Pick one puff. DishesByTowo viewers, pick one puff and pass to the next person. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. To my next video. Bye. For the food. Yay!